Welcome back to the video series on online classes made classic, prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Tips to make online classes effective is discussed at this video series. Options at freely available medium for online classes are mainly discussed. Points discussed here are only suggestive. My dear learned colleagues can browse, can explore, and they can have their own innovative ideas to make their online classes effective. Live worksheets, drag and drop exercise. In the earlier videos, we have seen how to make MCQ and gap filling exercises using liveworksheets.com. In this video, you will learn how to create interactive drag and drop exercise at liveworksheets.com. Then how to share the interactive worksheets with the students. This drag and drop exercise is actually a kind of playway method of learning, because the child will try to drag the correct answer and drop it in a place where it should be right. But suppose he is dragging and dropping an answer which is not right, it won't go there. Actually, it is a kind of playway method of learning better. Well, what you have to do, you prepare worksheets with questions with gaps to be filled and the words to be dragged and dropped. Suppose if you are having 5 different gaps where to be filled and there are 5 words which are to be dragged and dropped there, please first write the whole paragraph or sentences, whatever may be at the top, and give all the words to be dragged and dropped at a particular place, maybe at the bottom or maybe at the top or maybe by the side. Then save the worksheets with the drag and drop questions as PDF and make it ready. I will show you that I have made these types of triangles. Once again, here there are 3 gaps to be filled and there are 3 letters are there where they are to be dragged and dropped in a particular spot. Okay, well, I'm closing it. Come back. You know that what you have to do in this liveworkdot.com. You have to log in with your username and ID, then go to this make interactive worksheets and get started. It will ask you to choose a file which is 5 MB maximum. Choose the file. I have made a type of triangle drag. I am opening it and I am uploading it. It will get uploaded. Now you are seeing it over here. Now these are all the gaps. These are all the words to be dragged and dropped. Let us see what you have to do. Simple. Make it note down, right? To make interactive drag and drop questions, make box around the answers to be dragged and type drag and the number. Maybe drag 1, drag 2, drag 3, drag 4, like that. Then make box around the space where it to be dropped and type drop 1, drop 2, drop 3 and so on. Drag 1 to be dropped in drop 1. Drag 2 to be dropped in drop 2 and drag 3 to be dropped in drop 3. No need to tell you that what it should be done. Okay, well, now let me these are all to be dragged. Therefore I am putting it here and I am typing drag 1, and this one I will take it as drag 2. Here I am making it, and you can do it in random also. No need that you have to type only the 1, 2, 3 in order. It is left in. Okay, now the first one is the first answer. Therefore, I will put one box over here and I will put, sorry, I think it is going over here. Okay, I have to put the cursor here, drop 1. And here I think equal length is equilateral. Over here my answer should be drop 2. Here my answer should be drop 3. Now what you can do is you can give this drag 1, drag 2, drag 3 in random also, and you can put them not in order. Maybe you have put it in a zigzag fashion. You can do it. It is left to you. Okay, now I will just put it in order. It is left to you to just make it ready. Okay, now as usual you can save it to share it with your teachers, or you want to keep it as private. I will keep it as private. Let me go for types of triangles, drop. Okay, I'm saving it. It has got saved. Okay, I'm opening the worksheet now. It is here. Okay, now very simple. Now the scaling has to be taken here and drop it over here, and equilateral, when I drop it over here, you see it is not going, it is coming back, it is rejecting. For it is equilateral and then isosceles. And one thing is be careful. I hope put boxes. If you are not putting the box also, it will take it. And I have put in boxes just to tell you that without the scaling equilateral isosceles, no need to put boxes. But remember them, they should be typed in a way that you can draw a box and then you can type drag 1, drag 2, drag 3 and so on. Okay, I'm finishing it and I'm checking my answers. Oh, I'm getting 10 out of 10. Well, now this is the way how to get your drag and drop exercise. Very simple. First type the whole the paragraph or the statement, whatever you want to give, and then give a gap where you want something to be dragged and dropped, and the words to be dragged and dropped should be given separately, maybe at the bottom or maybe at the top or maybe at the right side corner of your particular worksheet. But remember that they are to be typed in such a way that there should be a gap between them, so that you can draw a box and then you can type drag, drop, drag, drop and so on. Now I think it is, all of you know that how to give it to the children. There are so many ways of doing it. You can add it to your workbook, you can add it to your Google Classroom, and you can copy it also, and you can give it to your child, and you can share it through your WhatsApp also. Now this is actually a private worksheet I have made, which means that others cannot see unless otherwise I am giving them the link. Normally whatever you are seeing whenever you open this website, you are seeing a lot of worksheets. All worksheets are made public by the person who have done it. Okay, well, now we will see the next type of exercise in our upcoming video. Thank you and bye.